Hi guys, I'm going to show you what this back area master bedroom and bathroom was like during our renovation in this video, and then I have some before pictures and after pictures I'll show you in just a minute. I'm Sarah and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys.
No toes. Ah!
That's him.
Ah!
Subscribe and join us on our next adventure.
You can turn and walk right into the bathroom. There was the vanity there. Blue toilet is gone. And the shower is getting ripped out. So that was the bathroom. Can you guys scooch along?
Hey, I'm just scooching. And you just like.
And then there's this little nursery room that we've pulled the carpet out of. And this is the bedroom.
You have to get glasses on. I forgot.
And right now, this is just the closet. We've started taking that wall out, and this will all be part of the bathroom.
Oh, it's too heavy.
Okay, and here's after. Took out the wall that was next to the vanity. And then also took out that wall between the closet and the bathroom. There's no longer a door here in the hallway for the little nursery room or whatever it was, so we closed that off. And still in our master bedroom, I still have to finish these nightstands that I'm working on. They're almost done. Then also we have to figure out some kind of headboard. We'll get to that eventually. And now the closet opens right here through the bathroom.
We just wanted to take a quick minute here and talk about how much this bathroom cost us, because DIY versus paying for a contractor to do it is significant price difference. Also significant time difference, and there's some sacrifice there. We're doing 2-3 hours a night, most nights, but not every night, and then the occasional full Saturday or something. So tub was
Like 700?
700. All the shower stuff was probably $1,000 in tile.
The vanity was like 14 or 15, right?
The toilet was $150, bidet was $200, floor tile $500, mirror $300.
And then the faucets were really expensive this time, it seemed like.
Oh, now I know what you're talking about. Yeah. So all of the plumbing hardware, like the valve, I replaced all the valves in the tub and in the shower. So the valves, the handles, the trim work, that was all like $600. The PEX pipe and the PEX fittings was like another. Does $600 sound right for that? It was really expensive. Maybe it was $400. We'll see.
The shower glass, the shower surround.
Was $2,000.
It was like 22. The light was like $100.
So we're just shy, a couple $100 shy of $8,000, which is expensive. This is by far the most expensive bathroom we've done.
But we did the downstairs bathrooms really cheaply, knowing that we wanted to spend the most money in this bathroom. But how much do you think that would have cost if we had hired someone to do it, though?
Yeah, so I would guess that this bathroom, if we were to have hired it, would be at least 20 grand.
Well, and then this didn't cost anything, but we did a ton of demo, too. We had to take out 2 walls
Yeah.
and break out that old
when you
shower.
factor in the framing is cheap, but to pay someone to frame is expensive. So it could have been more the more I think about it. The point of what we're trying to say is it is far cheaper to do DIY. So as long as you just jump into it and you're patient and you just figure it out as you go, there's nothing really hard here. I mean, there's some stuff that takes skill, like the plumbing. So you hire out the plumbing if you're nervous about it. You still save a ton of money by hiring out what you're not comfortable with and doing the rest yourself.
And we've got a whole big list of how-to videos. I'll link them. I don't know if I can link them right here, but if I can, I will. If not, they'll be at the end of this video. So if you're wanting to get into a bathroom yourself, watch some of these videos and Travis will show you how to do it.
Okay, that's it. Go out and do it. Let us know if you have questions.
A few weeks ago, we were able to go on a really fun trip with my family down to St. George, Utah.
Oh my gosh, I'm starting to get claustrophobic. I don't feel like our kids should try to go through there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, we should go.
If you can fit, I can fit.
Yeah. It just got
Good
really
job,
tight.
Max.
Yeah, hardly room to breathe.
Are you making it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try not to.
The middle's really tight.
Are you panicking?
No.
Okay, you're scaring me though.
Why?
I can I'm gonna jump
I'm a little
across
stuck
to
right
there,
here.
Mom.
Oh my gosh, please don't get stuck in the rock.
I hope he doesn't die.
Okay, you guys don't get too close to the crack, okay?
Mom.
Huh?
Mom, I'm gonna jump.
You made it!
I'm gonna jump across.
No, we're not gonna jump, honey.
Holy crap. How do you get out?
This is where Jason left.
You kind of got to do a pull-up.
Mom, look at this.
What is it?
It can zoom them.
Wow. Can you fit all the way in there?
Hot dogs.
You selling hot dogs?
Yep. Selling some ice cream. Get your ice cream.
Okay.
I hear hot dogs.
Who's the dinosaur?
Everything working okay?
My bike's just leaking gas out more than normal.
Maxwell, where did your shoes go?
I picked them up.
Are they in there? Okay. Have a fun ride, okay?
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.